Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to change the LED light color for private chat notifications on Telegram. If you want a simple way to personalize your alerts or quickly recognize who's messaging you without even unlocking your phone, this update makes it easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon in the top corner. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where all your customization options live. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to how Telegram alerts you. Now, tap on Private Chats. This is where you can adjust notification settings specifically for one-on-one conversations, separate from groups or channels. Scroll a little until you see light color. Tap on it and you'll be presented with different color options. Choose the one that fits your style or helps you recognize notifications more easily. For example, you might pick blue for a calm look, green for something subtle, or red if you want something that really stands out. After selecting your preferred color, tap Set to confirm your choice. And that's it. From now on, whenever you receive a private chat notification on Telegram, your LED light will flash in the color you selected. This small tweak can make a big difference in how you manage notifications, especially if you rely on visual alerts throughout the day. Give it a try and customize it the way that works best for you.